Welcome to the Swedish Maker. This week I'm making this simple key hanger. Now, there's no need to do this on a CNC, but I just got it, so I wanted to try it out, and I was lazy. But I didn't cut all the way through, so I'm going to do the last piece with the bandsaw, and hopefully it'll be just as fine. But if you don't have a CNC, you can just print out a template or draw it directly on the wood and cut it out with a jigsaw or a bandsaw or just a regular saw, whatever. I'm just gonna cut it on the bandsaw and then I'll sand it to shape. To get rid of the circle, I'm just going to use the drill press, and I have a drill bit that is the size of the inner circle, so it won't affect the CNC cut parts. So let's drill it. So it's done and it's hanging on the wall, and I'm going to bring it to our summer house where we only have one key, so it's going to be perfect for the summer house. And it was a really simple project. It only took a couple of hours with the CNC and design in mind. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit the thumbs up and I will see you guys next week. Bye.